So I'm gonna go give you an example of one of the things I've done. I did it in this wrong side here. So this is one of them I've done. Oh, I should do that one. Okay, I'll do that in a different. Yeah. Okay, so this is an example I've done. So as we can see here, like this would be the arms, honeycombing arms. I've done the sketch. It's a bit messy, but you kind of get the idea. Construction line here to see the length of this without cluttering this. Then just this, all that. These lines, it's a bit overcomplicated, but yeah, this is the height. Construction lines to get the height here, because why I needed that was here to get the hole through it, because here extrusion, we can just extrude these whole shapes and not care about these ones. We can just not click these ones. We see here, see how I didn't click the middle ones, but I could, right? I could. And then if I did that, then I just broke the whole thing. Oops. But that's fine. I'll just do Control Z. But yeah, that, like, I only selected the rim. Because we only have this, and honeycombing isn't just this, it's got holes at the top. I just lined it up with this side, like here. Lined it up here. I had to do the measurements outside, but yeah, I lined it up here.